Hola, 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 Shapiri Wizit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning into Everything SAD Ski. You all know good to be bringing you the latest sports updates. And on this one today, we got you. Bafana Bafana news, and this is Coach Bruce. AFCON squad will break the hearts of some players, and we might be taking guesses. You can just also let me know who you think, which players he's talking about that are gonna be in shock and dropped hearts. But Bafana Bafana head coach Hugh Bros has indicated that selecting his squad for the Africa Cup of Nations AFCON will be challenging process, particularly for some players. Over the past 2 years, the Belgian coach has been preparing the team for this year's AFCON and next year's FIFA World Cup. However, only 23 players will be chosen to join him at the technical staff in Morocco, which means that several players who contributed to Bafana Bafana's success will not be included in the 2024. Bruce led South Africa to a third place finish in the last AFCON, despite facing skepticism from many with a wide pool of talented players. And consider Bruce has acknowledged that making the final selection for the upcoming AFCON will be difficult for weeks ahead. I know that what was so easy 2 years ago will now be very difficult to do because we have more than 23 players who can go to AFCON and deserve to go to AFCON. I will make decisions, and some of them will be painful for the players and also for me personally because it's not a nice thing to drop a player, Bruce said to the Everything SAD Ski. Against Zambia, Bruce tried out a few combinations, especially in defense, with his team winning 3-1 and more players raising their hands. It will be difficult for the Belgian to select a strong, balanced 23-man squad. Today, I gave players who hadn't played much in the past some minutes to see how they react and how they are adapting to the team tactically. And again, I am certainly satisfied, but not 100%. But I wanted to see what I saw today, Bruce said after a Zambian match. The likes of Rowan Williams, Tebogo Mokoena, and Oswin Napolis already done enough to cement their place in the squad. But for the majority of the players is all to fight for in the coming weeks. With the PSL taking a break on 6 December, Bruce will likely select his 23-man squad around that time. Who should make it? Let us know down below in the comment section.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Billy Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is